Hello, hello. What's up? バイランレオフレンズ。また来てくれてありがとう。日本人がタトゥーにどう反応するのか気になりませんか？この動画では実際のリアクションを見ながらネイティブがよく使う自然な英語フレーズを8個紹介するよ。どれもすぐに使える表現で中学英語の単語ばかり。ネイティブみたいに話せるようになりたい、言ってることが分かるようになりたいと思った人はぜひ最後まで見てね。さらに僕の体験談やアドバイスもシェアするよ。そして最後にはサンディエゴでレオとバイラが大好きな場所ドッグビーチの写真もいくつか紹介するね。
What do you think about tattoos?
このフレーズを覚えるといろんな人の意見が聞けるよ。話が盛り上がる。 Leo, what you think about Baila?He
is my best friend. I love him.
What do you think about tattoos?
That's good. Thank you. I want to do. Done! Hi, it's Victoria Rose. That's right, my name is Victoria Rose. I'm gonna start saying that instead. Okay, that's it. It's changed. It's all changed. Very elegant, refined Victoria Rose. I went to Japan. You guys know this. I also have a lot of tattoos. You guys also know this.
You should cover up your tattoo at the onsen. He tried to cover up the accident. Cover up. 肌やタトゥーを隠すときにも使うし、悪いことを隠そうとするときにも使えるよ。
Whoa, you should cover up. You're offending everybody. Do you realize how hot it was there? I almost died from sweating. Yes. Stop looking behind me. It's a mess. So we're gonna talk about the Japanese and...
Let's learn a new phrase. This is how native speakers say I'm going to in casual conversation. It's fast, natural, and super common. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna watch the rest of this video. Native wa hobo kore o tsukau yo.
The help of my friend, because I don't speak Japanese. How do you say hug?
Just say hug. Just say hug.
Ikemen?
Yeah, I love you.
What do you think about tattoos? What do you think about tattoos on gaijins? I'm gonna show you some clips of what they said, like real people, what they said.
All right, let's look at this phrase that's coming up. Japan is very contradicting. This means Japan can feel confusing or full of opposites. For example, some places are very modern, but the rules can be very traditional. That's a contradiction. Her actions are contradicting her words. 二つのことが正反対のように感じるとき、行動が言葉と矛盾するとか、そんな感じで使ってね。
I didn't really think about my tattoos or anything like that as being a problem. I don't ever really think about it because it's not something I think about. And a lot of you guys in the comments were like, what did they think about your tattoos? Or you're like, you're so disrespectful, you should cover up your tattoos, blah, blah. So the thing about Japan, it's a very contradicting place and it's kind of confusing with the way you're supposed to be there and stuff like that. The people who did comment on them actually liked them a lot. There was this older man, probably in his 80s or 90s? No, 80s. In the train, he started talking to us and I'm like, oh man, I hope he doesn't say anything about my tattoos, but really he's like, you're beautiful, those are beautiful, and you know, I've been to America before and blah blah, and it was so sweet, and it was just like, it feels so good whenever
I like this one a lot. It feels so good. 気持ちいい、すごく嬉しい。例えば走った後、サウナの後とかに使えるよ。
sweet, and it was just like, it feels so good whenever the older generation, especially in the Japanese culture, can appreciate, you know, like me and like my tattoo work and have an open mind like that. I didn't film that, obviously, but we do go out in the streets and ask younger people what they think about tattoos.
Tattoo, you like?
I like tattoo.
You like tattoo?
Yeah.
Cool.
It's because he's say Yankee. Yankee. Yeah. I'm Yankee.
Offensive to. This means something might hurt someone's feelings or go against their values. Your tattoos might be offensive to Japanese people. That joke was offensive to some people. 不愉快にさせる。失礼な。例えば、そのジョークは、ある人にとっては不愉快だったよ。文化や礼儀について話すときにしておくと便利なフレーズです。
日本人ですか？日本人。So like tattoo.
かっこいい。
思いますか？
じゃあ本当にかっこいい。
Yes, thank you.
So 怖いですか？怖いですか？
怖くない。
怖くない。
かわいいかっこいい。
So he's like, it's not scary, it's cute.
かっこいい。すごい。
A lot of you have said that tattoos are super like offensive to the Japanese, but in all honesty, it's it's not.
Yeah. Basically, we walked past those guys and they said "sugoi," which means awesome.
Yes.
And then I asked him, "Is it scary?" And he's like, "No, it's really cute. It's really awesome."
The reason that the Japanese would have a problem with tattoos is because of the Yakuza gangsters there have a lot of tattoos. You know, I'm not a Japanese person, I'm a foreigner. They're not going to expect things out of me that they'd expect out of other Japanese people. Some of them think that it's kind of scary. What do you think of my tattoos?
Really? America Jin, they say very, very bad in Japan.
Sad. It makes me sad.
What do you think? 思いますか?
That's okay. Is it scary?
怖いですか?
No? It's good?
You like?
Good?
Japanese tattoo.
うん。
Babori koi. Japanese fish.
Yes.
Japanese history. Little but.
Why? Like Yakuza?
Yeah.
Yakuza. 外人タトゥー思いますか?
No.
Oh.
Gaijin tattoo is okay.
Oh. ありがとうございます。
Arigato.
本当に? Oh, ありがとう。Hello. What do you think about tattoos?
That's good.
It's cool?
That's so
Cool. I really like your hair color smile.
Thank you.
I wanna do.
Done.
What?
Done.
Why don't?
Done.
Why?
All right, let's look at the phrase, I wouldn't be. She will say, I wouldn't be allowed to go into certain places. This means that hypothetically, if she tried to enter certain places, she would not be permitted. Another example, I wouldn't be surprised if it rains today. とても使われるし、これをマスターしたら、いろんなところで使えるよ。こんな感じで使ってみて。もし日本語を学び始めていなかったら、今英語を教えていなかったでしょう。あなたのサポートがなければ、ここにいなかったでしょう。
I didn't have any bad experiences there. Of course, I wouldn't be allowed to go into certain places, certain hot springs and stuff, but we didn't try to go in those anyways because you're not allowed, whether you're Japanese or a foreigner, to go in with tattoos. Any tattoos at all, even if it's just a small, tiny one, you're just not allowed. Leave some comments below of any questions that you might have that I can answer or anything you just want to say. I don't know if you guys notice or not, but I really do respond to most comments. If you guys want to help me out with
いろんな状況や課題に対して助けを求めるときに使います。カジュアルに使えるよ。例えば、Thanks for helping me out today. Could you help me out tomorrow?
If you guys want to help me out with more travels, I have a way. If you're going to shop on Amazon, you can just use the link that's below in the description and it helps me, and then you just shop as normal. I also have links to everything else down below if you want to check that out. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye. I love you very much. You go first.
What you gonna do?
日本で育った僕にとって自分の意見をはっきり言うのは簡単じゃなかったですね。最初はアメリカで働き始めた頃、会議で発言しないことで評価が下がったこともありました。でも少しずつ慣れていって自分の考えを伝えることの大切さを学びました。皆さんはどう思いますか？ぜひコメントで教えてください。この動画が役に立ったと感じたらいいねとチャンネル登録お願いします。次回の動画で会いましょう。
今日学んだリアル英語、ぜひ使ってみてね。皆さんのコメントがより良い動画作りの助けになります。次に学びたいことを教えてください。アメリカのワーク学校ってどんな感じ？留学するのに英語はどのぐらい必要？コメントで聞いてくれたら動画で取り上げるかもしれません。皆さんのコメントお待ちしてます。
最近mochantvさんの動画を見てていいなと思いました。mochantv英会話さんのように自然なフレーズを楽しく動画を作っていきたいと思います。